Hi, this is Mike, Family DIY TV, and today I want to share with you my process, and I think it's a very easy process on handling weeds. Now, throughout the years, I've tried all the different techniques out there. I've tried to use a salt, a very high concentrated salt slurry to try to kill the weeds, kind of use like an organic way. Did not succeed. I tried the vinegar, I tried the salt, and I tried the dishwashing soap together. Did not exceed. I tried all kinds of different organic ways to kind of control weeds. And the weeds I'm talking about are ones like that are in your driveway, in like the cracks, and in your garden bed. You know, in my garden bed, I used to put down the weed fabric. I stopped doing that. Now what I do is I put down preen, which is a pre-emergent, so that'll stop anything from new from growing. But anything that's new, you need to take care of it. So you get down there and pick them, or you unfortunately can go the chemical way, and that's the way we're gonna go today. Now, the chemical that I'm using, everybody knows about. It's just the way I go about administering the chemical that I think I should share with a lot of people. I see a lot of people out there with the little Roundup bottles and the little spray bottles, or they buy the gallon with the sprayer. You know, those things are junk. So what I would suggest, and also it's gonna save you a lot of money, is go out and buy yourself a concentrated bottle of weed killer, something like this. I'll put a link to this down below. All right, then go out and buy yourself a pump sprayer, something like this, okay? And what you do is you, in the pump sprayer, you add your gallon of water. You always add the water first, and then you add your chemicals to it, all right? So then what you do is you use the pump up the sprayer, walk around your property. I usually do it every Sunday. For some reason, that's my tradition on Sunday. I go around and kill weeds. And I pump it one time, walk around the property, and I just do a nice light spray on any weeds that I see. It also kills grass because it's Roundup, weed free. Unfortunately, it's not chemical free. If you guys have any ideas out there, any organic ways that have worked for you, not that you've seen, that you've actually used and it's worked, please let me know. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna get to mixing this stuff and putting it down, and I'll show you how that goes. Okay, so my pump sprayer, I write on there, weed killer. I don't want to use this for anything else, okay? Because I have pump sprayers for Trimac, for tenacity, for all kinds of different things, for bug spray. I have everything labeled for the chemical that I'm going to be using. I don't mix my pump sprayers. And the pump sprayers are real cheap. You get them between 10 to 20 bucks. So what I do is I just buy the biggest weeds thing of Roundup I can get. This is Roundup, even though it says Spectracide. I'll link to this also. You can just get this actually off Amazon. They sell it at Lowe's, Home Depot, all kinds of places. All right. Then what you want to do is get yourself one of these mixers, especially if you're going to be doing stuff like this. This is just something I use for just chemicals. All right. And then what I do is I write on the actual jug when I buy it, just like I do for my Trimac. I put on the back how many gallons, how many ounces per gallon. On this, I put how many ounces per gallon. Just keeps the guessing game out of it. So we've already filled this up with 1 gallon of fresh water, and we're now going to add the chemicals. So so that's how I handle weeds. Down just very sparingly. I don't just spray it all over the place. I only put it on active weeds. And I try to stay away from anything that you know, could affect a pollinator. I don't spray any kind of flowers or anything like that, or any kind of gardens. The fabric that you put underneath your mulch, I just don't believe in it. I don't think it works. So, you know, you take that, do with it what you may. But I'm Mike from Family DIY TV. Please subscribe, please like, and I'm out. I'm gonna go kill some weeds.